So, Ashton Sturm from Mr. Sturm's Auto Detailing in Indianapolis. He came a long way. He's been here since Friday for our Detail Czar Certified Detailer Licensee Training. So, what do you think of the whole weekend, man?
It was amazing. There's really just speechless. It's been a long weekend, most definitely. But I'm gonna go home with more knowledge than I would have ever gotten. Doing something by myself. Helps out. It's a good it's not starting point, but it's a good point to grow the way I know I should grow.
Great building blocks, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think of the business class on Friday?
That was probably the more important part for me. Obviously because I've been detailing for a while.
You already had some good detailing experience.
Yeah, I pretty much
So that helped put your business in the fast lane on the business component.
Yeah, most definitely. I'll figure out some new ways to grow and actually make it more worth it for me. So,
What about the hands-on weekend? Both the paint correction day, you did a lot of paint correction, ceramic coating, then the interior day, which you cleaned and detailed and an interior of a really dirty van, and you actually did some coating on the interior too.
Yeah, it's been very nice. I've learned a lot of things. It's very nice. Obviously I can watch YouTube videos 24/7,
Sure.
but having somebody there to ask questions and things like that it's I don't think you could really get anything better. I mean, it's
Excellent.
probably the best.
Well, you did a great job. You asked a lot of questions, so I'm going to have to charge you a little bit more, but that's okay.
Yes, sir.
You are now that Detail Czar Certified Detailer Licensee.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations.
I appreciate
Great
it.
job. You're a great student.
Thank you.
Thank you.